How to solve multiple accounts app not working. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down until you find the option of apps. Just tap on apps and then tap on manage apps. Now on the search bar, you can search for multiple accounts or you can just scroll down and find your application. Then tap on the multiple accounts and you can see the option of clear all data. Just tap on clear all data and tap on OK. After that, what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the Play Store application and make sure that the multiple accounts application is updated to its latest version. So just go to the Play Store and search for multiple accounts on the search bar. And make sure it is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. Now as you can see, my app is updated, so I don't have to update anything else. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.